Hey everyone, my name is Yash Jain. I'm the founder of LeanWithYash and Yash Health Expert. Today we're going to talk about how to get relief from acid reflux permanently. Any resource, any PDF, any video I create, I only focus on delivering permanent results. Even if you follow one of a reel and you stick by it, you follow the basic principle, you would see very great change in your life for long term. So we've helped women fix their gut health, mental health, emotional health, and hormonal health a lot of times at Lean with Yash. So we've started posting content only about that particular topic at Yash Health Expert, and we use an effortless method where any piece of information you're supposed to follow given by us has to be effortless, and that's the definition of how we work. See, acid reflux is something that can affect everything. If you are working in front of a laptop and there's an office meeting going on, let's say, and it's very productive meeting, and all of a sudden you see that you're not able to digest the food properly, and you feel burps are coming out, or you feel the food is coming up, and you feel the acidity, then you cannot concentrate at work, right? That's how bad acid reflux is. Then if you're going for a run, if you feel acidic, it's not going to help you. You are not able to sleep at night properly. You are not able to move with confidence just because you have to constantly think, can I eat this, can I not eat this, which food would spike my acid reflux, which food won't spike. There's a lot of hustle that comes in when you get the issue of acid reflux, because once it comes in, it's very difficult to go out. But after watching this video, you would be able to understand exactly how to fix it permanently, and what action you need to implement after watching it. That also would be very clear for you. So you go through our profile on Lean with Yash, you would see a lot of transformations. You would see people talking about their acid reflux getting fixed. We have a YouTube podcast on Lean with Yash profile. You can go and check that as well on YouTube. Next is, let me just give a very simple example of what is acid reflux. Okay, so basically whenever you eat something, okay, your stomach produces acid. If the acid starts flowing back up into your food pipe, that is acid reflux. One. Second, GERD, GERD is basically is very common nowadays in India. Like 1 out of 5 women of above the age of 35 is observing GERD, and that's a chronic form of acid reflux. So the key difference here is basically occasional normal acid reflux is just like once a month, once in 2 months, something like that. But GERD is basically acid reflux becoming a part of a lifestyle. Like breathing is a part of your body, same way acid reflux is a part of your body. That's the definition of GERD. And if you reach there, then eventually you would be facing acid reflux every single day, and you would have to pop in medicine just so you can digest the food, or just so you can sleep at night. So heartburn, sore throat, food coming back up, difficulty in swallowing. These are basic symptoms. Okay, I'll give you one simple example over here about symptom. The basics, the most common and the most simplest way to identify acid reflux is whenever you feel the food is not getting digested properly, that is the first sign of you getting acid reflux. Very simple. Whenever you feel you're not able to digest the food, just make note of it. Note down what did you eat. One, note down how well you were able to chew it. Like, did you chew it fast, medium, slow? Just make notes and track these two things. You would get your answers eventually, and you would also be able to figure out how to stop it in the long term. So common triggers of acid reflux is like some people would have coffee, black coffee, and just have a sore throat the next day, or would have acidity coming up within an hour. Spicy food, citrus foods, alcohol, overeating, stress eating, not chewing the food slowly, pregnancy, obesity. These are the common triggers of acid reflux. In pregnancy, we've observed a lot of times it happens that during pregnancy, a woman would vomit after eating a big meal. So this is why we also suggest small meals when you're pregnant. Gut health and acid reflux. Mm, See, let me explain the basic concept of what exactly is a reflux. So whenever you eat something, your body is supposed to digest it properly. If your body cannot digest it properly, so whenever you eat something, acid and enzymes are being released. If the acid that is released is not able to break the food properly, the food would come up in the pipe. This is the one scenario. Another scenario is where your acid production was so high that the food has been digested, but now the acid is getting reflected and you're able to feel it in your throat. This is another sign. So, in simplest words, what you're supposed to do is the machine that you have, the organs that you have that breaks down the food, okay? You need to make them stronger by eating balanced meals, probiotics like curd, then digestive friendly food, example fruits, nuts, seeds. These are the foods that would provide lots and lots of enzymes, and your body's ability to produce acid, body's ability to break down the food would get better eventually as you keep adding foods specific to fixing your gut. For me, what works best is I drink a glass of vegetable juice every single day, a bowl of salad every single day, and yeah, these are two things plus a glass of nut shake that I drink that helps me provide a balance of nutrients. Along with this, I eat whatever's made at home. Sometimes I eat out. So that's how I've developed habits to ensure I stay healthy and safe forever. So at Lean with Yash, let's say you are also looking to lose 10-20 kgs, gut health would be the first thing that we do for our clients. Even during the onboarding phase itself, we try to heal their gut. In the if the gut is still severe in the first 3 weeks, we prioritize gut. Until and unless we don't fix your gut health, we do not increase your protein intake. This is how important gut health is. And at Yash Health Expert, our goal is to obviously run a digital course done for you. You just have to plug and play habits as per your lifestyle to fix your gut health permanently. That's how effortless I'm gonna make your life. So gut health and acid reflux. So certain foods you're supposed to avoid, certain foods you're supposed to eat. I'll explain it in simpler words what to avoid. Anything that comes from a packet that has a lot of ingredients, lot of labels that you're not able to read and understand. Then you have to just chat GPT to read it, or the list of ingredients are very long. Avoid consuming them. Very simple. Even if it's whey protein, scientifically proven is good for you. See the ingredients. There are a lot of ingredients. Don't buy whey protein that has very minimal ingredients. Very simple. So fresh food like fruits, veggies, ginger, juicy fruits, juicy vegetables are very good for you, like cucumber, asparagus, then papaya, mangoes, pineapple. These juicy fruits are very good. Bananas, any fruit basically works. What I've usually seen is that whenever we prescribe a banana to a client, their acid reflux has gone down. So this is why I've written banana over here. Ginger helps produce more digestive enzymes in your body, which helps break the food down inside your gut, and acid reflux won't come if your digestion is good. So, packet food, fried foods, deep fried, soft drinks, try to avoid them until and unless your gut health is fixed. Once it's fixed, then you can slow and steady add it once a week, twice a week. Eat small meals, small meals instead of having like four chapati, big bowl of dal, big bowl of sabji, and rice. Cut it down to just roti and sabji. In roti, you can try to go for jawar or bajra instead of wheat, or ragi roti instead of wheat roti, to make it even more easier for your body to digest. If you're eating, let's say, even in food itself, let's say you're eating rajma, try to soak it for 24 hours so that it's very easier to break it down inside your gut. These are small things, small tips and tricks that you can focus on. Nuts, whenever you eat them, soak them. Seeds, whenever you eat them, make sure it's in a powder form, not a raw form, so that it's easier for your body to digest. Hydration. Make sure you drink like a liter of water every 3 to 4 hours, bare minimum, so that by the time it's bedtime, you've drink 3 to 4 liters. Simple two habits that I'll tell you: carry a water bottle wherever you go. If you're working on front of a laptop, you work from home, buy a 3 liter water jug. Make sure you have to finish it in the entire day. If you're traveling, make sure you carry a half-liter water bottle in your office purse or office bag, wherever you wish to, and keep 2 glasses of water next to your bed. Upon waking up, just drink them. This is how you can easily touch 3 to 4 liters effortlessly. For me, what works best is ginger tea and JDS water. JDS water is basically Jeera Dhania soft seeds. You boil it for 5 minutes in water and then you drink it. I I've been doing that for past like almost 2 years now. It has made a very good impact in my life. 1.5 years, not two to be specific. So avoid sugary drinks. You know that, like Red Bull, Coke, even if it's Diet Coke, please avoid, because the amount of artificial sugar it would have that can mess up with your gut. And again, anything that comes out of factory, try to avoid until unless your gut is fixed. And if you do that with discipline, gut health is fixed, you can slowly add it so that your body is used to it, and acid reflux won't be a problem anymore. Lemon water between lunch and dinner works really good. Ginger lemon shots, like you just have to take ginger grated, squeeze it, juice comes out. Put on some lemon, some water. That's your ginger lemon shot. Lemon is just squeeze lemon, add in some water and drink. That's ginger lemon shot. You can also chew ginger if you wish to after your meals so that your body can digest the food properly. That's another advice. Stress often makes it difficult for your body to digest the food because see, whenever cortisol goes up, your stress the hormone goes up, your body won't be able to produce sex hormones, won't be able to digest the food properly, won't be able to recover your muscles, won't be able to do a lot of things. Even if you wish to work with productivity, you're stressed, you won't be able to concentrate. So stress is a major problem for all the health issues. But if you when it talks about acid reflux, if you're stressed, you need to introduce stress management techniques like yoga, meditation, deep breathing, pre-sleep calming routines, no screens before bed, go for light walk before you sleep, have chamomile tea or magnesium rich foods or magnesium supplements before you sleep so that your sleep cycle gets better. If you want more information on how to get deep sleep, read the description. There's a pre-sleep routine video. If you don't know how to do yoga, that video is there in the description. Meditation, I'll add it, and deep breathing also I'll add it. Magnesium glycinate, if you need a supplement, check out the description box. You will see a video with you will see an Amazon link for the same. Magnesium rich foods are basically nuts, seeds. Any nuts and seeds you consume would have a lot of magnesium. Like just to make it very simple for you to understand. Side effects of stress, what usually happens is um, stress eating, binge eating, emotional eating goes up so high that again that disturbs your gut health because you would only stress eat if it's sugar or if it's chips or savory foods like namkeen, chivda, farsan. They would have a lot of oil, a lot of sodium, a lot of ingredients that you don't want like maida, sugar, and trans fat, which is just going to disturb your gut health. A simple rule that I'll tell you is for long-term habit building, whenever you see a food, just look at it. Is it going to add nutrition or is it going to take away nutrition? Packet food, deep fried, soft drinks, they would just deplete nutrients from your body. And fresh foods, thing that comes out from Mother Earth, like fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, grains, legumes, dals, lentils. Fresh food, fresh stuff would add nutrients in your body. So you have to be very mindful and just have this basic idea. Even if you eat junk food, then you know that your if you've eaten chips, your body would deplete some nutrients just to digest it. What you can do is instead of removing junk food, you can keep junk and add in some veggies so that food that depletes nutrition and there's food that adds nutrition. So at least you're in break even. And this way you wouldn't have acid reflux issue in the long term. So consistency matters. It's not about what you do today, tomorrow. What you do for long term would reflect your long term health. Pre-planning your meals. If you don't have fruits, veggies at home, you'll have to pre-plan them. If you don't plan out your portion size, you would end up eating more or less. So you need to pre-plan your portion size as well. Uh, Chew the food slowly. Stay away from screens when you eat. Try to walk after a meal so that your gut health is activated while you walk. Blood circulation goes up, helps digest the food better. Sit in Vajrasana or butterfly pose after you eat a meal. That also helps. Your meal plate should look colorful. If it just have two colors, let's say wheat and yellow color dal, it's not gonna help. Add some colors like curd, orange is carrot, red is tomato, green is cucumber. So make sure your meals are colorful. And see, one simple trick, whenever you eat something, if you feel acidic, bloated, then the next day you feel constipated. Just rewind, what did you eat the previous meal, what did you eat in the past 24 hours. You would get your answer most of the time in that particular self reflection. Most of the humans don't do that. When to see a doctor, if you feel after applying these advices you're not able to see results fast, and if it's at a very severe level, okay, then I would suggest you meet a gastroenterologist. Sorry, gastroenterologist is a gut health specialist, is when you should meet, not your family doctor. So they would either suggest you endoscopy, medication, they would cross check your eating pattern or meal plan. Simple. They would help you understand what you do. They'll just do quick diagnosis and provide you a solution for the same. Mm, these are very two symptoms that see there's no improvement. Please visit the doctor. If you feel pain while swallowing and if the pain is not going, ideally pain goes in 40 days. If the pain doesn't go, then do meet a doctor. Recap and action steps. So, how to fix reflux naturally? You have to make sure your food choices are good, colorful meals, then fresh food over packet food. You have to make sure your gut health is good. Intermittent fasting helps a lot. Lemon waters, ginger water, coconut water helps a lot with your gut health. Juicy veggies, juicy fruits also improves your gut health. Stress management, whenever you're stressed, see, instead of using food as a source of dopamine or Instagram reels as a source of dopamine, go for a walk, meditate, yoga, dance for a while, sing a song, spend time with your husband, spend time with your friends. That would help reduce your stress levels, because if your cortisol levels are high, you cannot really progress in your health. Even if it's just acid reflux or weight loss, or even if you wish to earn more money in your life, because of stress, a lot of things get disturbed. Even your hair, acne, hormones, periods, a lot of things would get haywire. So stress management is the best way to do it. Is just do hard work every single day, so that when you go to bed, you feel proud of yourself and you get a deep sleep. That's the best way to overcome stress. And workouts. When you do workouts, you become mentally stronger. And when you're mentally stronger, you can say no to samosa, chips, chewed up packet food. Everything works in sync. If I'm talking way too fast, do watch the video once. But all the pieces of information I'm giving you, if you apply even 3 to 4 pieces of information, that can actually change your life forever. That's my promise. Start with one habit a day if everything sounds overwhelming. And if you want a holistic plan, like one-to-one coaching, where you want a nutrition plan, workout plan, guidance, a support, accountability, hand holding, problem solving, everything, then Lean with Yash is the best place for you. Bonus quick fixes are almost about to done. So whenever you feel you're not able to digest the food properly, chew a small piece of ginger, take lemon, just squeeze it inside your mouth. That also helps. Aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar. Not a really big fan of apple cider vinegar and aloe vera juice, but yeah, they are really good for your body. It's not about I'm just being honest. What do I prefer the most? I would rather prefer skipping a meal. Like I would rather prefer intermittent fasting with warm water during my fast, and I would break my fast with some raisins so that I get a lot of glucose and enzymes to digest the food. And this is what I would do along, or second IMF, as in not eating after sunset, is what I would actually prefer, or skipping my breakfast meal. So I'm just sharing what works best for my gut health. I just do these two things along with my salad bowl. So it's a salad subscription that I get. I have consumed it. Just this is the box that I get, like full, just थोड़ी देर पहले खाया है. So I do that. A nut shake and beetroot avla ginger juice is what I drink. These three things keep my entire body healthy, like hormones, bone, muscles, gut, everything is sorted because of these three things. That's how I've built my lifestyle and habits. Mm, so yeah, good to go. Thank you so much for watching. You need help with anything, we are here to help you. You can book a consultation call. The link is in the bio. And if you would like to transform, take care. Thank you so much. See you soon. And you need help with any other resource, feel free to drop a comment and I would be more than happy to make a resource on the same.